Harshita.
I'm Mohana.
And welcome to our channel
HM Diaries.
So this is part 2 of our Varanasi vlog and it's gonna be our third day here. If you remember, we had moved to another guest house for a room with a better view, and that was the best decision ever because we woke up to this beautiful view.
Best sunrise ever. Good morning from this really swollen face, morning face.
How is it? It's good. It's 9 a.m. right now, and I just realized that there are so many camels there. Oh, the monkey thing? Yeah. Okay, so I was taking Mohana's picture here, and a monkey came.
Okay, it was literally right there, and I saw it too. It was there, and I saw it from here. I was like, okay, we'll chill. It's okay. It's just gonna be there until then. I don't even know. I was busy posing.
I screamed because a monkey came here next to her, and then it jumped from here to there, and from here to there.
Funniest part is the second she screamed, I closed my eyes. I didn't even know what happened, and even I started screaming. I just closed my eyes and I sat down. I thought they were like birds. I didn't know it was a monkey until like we went inside, and then Harsha was like, that was a monkey, while I thought it was like a flock of birds.
Her photo shoot isn't done yet.
And now we're shit scared. Fast.
We are ready. We're gonna have a lunch in a while.
Yeah. In a while not. We'll go now.
Yeah, in a while. Really hungry. Yeah, we just took very little time to get ready.
Yeah, just like 3 hours.
3 hours, that's it.
So y'all, now we are going to Ramnagar Fort. It's around 10 kilometers from Bengali Tola.
We heard that a few movies were shot there, like Ranchana and also Mirzapur. How are you enjoying this ride?
It's not that actually. I mean, it's good until like the horns.
See the city, no? Varanasi.
Yeah. I think this is one more part.
So we have reached Ramnagar Fort. There's a museum inside which displays vintage cars, swords and all the antique pieces.
It seems this was the entrance in the show Mirzapur. This was the entrance gate.
The Maharaja of Banaras still lives on the other side of this fort.
I feel like I'm some princess of some palace.
We came through that bridge.
We are in
near this stall and we are gonna have makhan toast with chai masala tea.
Yeah, we're on our way back.
Malai toast, but
She's looking for malai toast, but there's no malai toast. We will look
I
for
want
it.
malai toast. I love malai.
She's been, bro. I think since last time
Last
you've
year,
been,
I've
yeah,
been craving for malai toast.
yeah. What's this? ये क्या है? Sandwich. Bro, sorry. ये क्या है ये?
वो दीदी सैंडविच का फॉर्म है, बन में लगा क्या है भैया? 90 रुपए वो भी।
Oh my god.
That looks good.
The way we like it.
ये बढ़िया है. Looks so cute, right? Right, cheers. 3, 2, 1.
Cheers.
Smells so flavorful.
बड़ा 15
Flavor some. So good.
Cases. Tulsi.
तुलसी का पत्ता.
And this.
So now we are going to see the Ganga Aarti, evening Aarti it is. We are not taking the boat ride this time. Oh my god, see these! They have sweaters on. That's so cute, oh my god. The thing is, it's 5:45 p.m. and it's dark already. Like literally, what? So now we are running because we don't want to miss the Ganga Aarti. We want to stand or sit in the front. So last time when we came here, we had taken the boat ride and there was a very good view. We have almost reached. You see the amount of people who are here?
करूंगा ना आपको गंदा करने दूंगा अगर आप करते तो मैं
बोले बाबा विश्वनाथ के जय श्री राम।
नाथ स्वामी सखा हमारे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव।
Will be honest, we had goosebumps. It was such a divine experience. And after the aarti, we headed to eat some street food of Varanasi. So first we went to Pushpa Chai and they had everything you could think of. Kesar milk, malai toast, malayo, lassi, rabdi. And it was such a cool vibe. They were playing songs from Pushpa and we were thoroughly enjoying it.
I don't like malai. Second round of chai toast, guys.
Our next food station is Momo Station. It's really good. One more thing I understood from my second trip to Varanasi is that most of them, they play songs to attract customers.
Look at this samosa.
Kurkure momos.
It tastes really good, no?
It tastes really good.
Guys, we are enjoying to the core.
I think I'm just gonna gain like 5 more kgs and go from here.
Yeah.
You're going to burn the calories.
Yeah.
We walk a lot, so we're burning it also.
It's a salulu.
So we wanted to buy a few party wear sarees. So we entered the store and they had beautiful collection, guys. So we bought a few sarees and we're so excited to wear them, honestly. And we ended the day by having some really good kulfi. And obviously we also had to have the very famous Banaras pan.
Oh, well, I'm out of school now. See right side?
Okay, see you, bye.
Oh my god. Okay, bro.
Oh my god. Mom, I'm very scared. Oh my god. So today we had a lot of fun.
day. Yeah, we had a really good day.
Yeah. Today was mostly like a food day and we got a lot of saris. I'm so happy. They're
We
so
love
pretty.
the saris. Oh, Baba Lakshmi. One more shop, one more stop.
We are now localites of Varanasi. FYI.
Yeah, guys.
We know all the routes now. Not really, but like we're used to this route.
Like the one, the area
So
where we
a
stay.
few ghats, we know the routes.
I like the area we stay. Guys, the time is 10:40 and this is how our room looks like.
So that is it for this day. We came back to our room and realized our room was so messy. So we cleaned it and then went to sleep. I'm just removing my makeup. I forgot to remove my lens.
Oh shit! Why? Why literally always? Remove it. Oh,
Yeah,
good
wait.
God.
Vaseline.
ఇప్పుడు మర్చిపోతావే not the first time.
Good morning, you all. This is day 3 in Varanasi. So we have actually extended our program. We were supposed to leave today morning to Ayodhya, but then we fell in love with this place for the second time and we stayed back. We'll be leaving tomorrow though.
Yeah.
But now we're just gonna have breakfast.
The time's 9:45 and we wake up like 8:30.
Yeah.
8:30. Yeah. I look so dead because like we apply Kajal, like we're applying it every day, and because of that our eyes are just.
So we have ordered coffee with
Wait.
gobi paratha. So yesterday we loved the achar that they gave us with the paratha. Let's have some coffee now.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Here is our breakfast for today. This is gobi ke parathe with pickle. Taste.
Achar.
I told Achar.
How is it?
Yeah.
With Mohana, it's a waste of time because all she does is eat, sleep, eat, sleep.
Sleep. And she woke up, she had her breakfast, and now again she wants to sleep.
Wake up, bro.
Again lunchtime, now it's time to eat. Then after that, after a little while, you can again sleep. Lay mono.
Go, 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 go.
Come on.
So this is our outfit of the day, and now we are heading to where?
No idea.
No clue.
We'll just.
We're supposed to have lunch right now. The time is almost 2:30ish.
Yeah.
Let's see. I think we'll just walk and then figure out something. ఎందుకు నవ్వుతున్నారు?
She's getting conscious.
Okay, so we've come to this factory.
It is Bablu Bhaiya's factory.
Yeah, Babu Bhaiya's factory. I think.
So last time when we came, we took quite a lot of sarees from here. Thank you.
So we come to this factory, and yeah, we showed yesterday. So we're just seeing some sari.
ये proper Banaras.
बनारस प्योर ये प्योर बनारस
See this. It's so pretty. This is a dress material. This is basically a kurti set. This is dupatta.
अच्छे से बना दो एकदम अच्छे से
I like the dupatta a bit.
This is the kurti. And this is the pant. Material for the pant. If you are in Varanasi, then you can check out their store. Here is their card. So this is their sari factory. अभी इस पे क्या हो रहा है?
अभी इसका फिनिशिंग हो रहा है फिनिशिंग
ओह, और वहाँ पर फोल्डिंग.
Pani puri. Nice.
Guys, I finally found Malai toast. Not I didn't find. So our auto driver, he's helping us. He's been guiding us since yesterday. So yeah, I'm so thankful right now because I've been finding for Malai toast so much, and finally.
Actually, like we didn't have it. We didn't find it yesterday, but this is like the actual one she wants, just like pure white malai with sugar. That is not what she really found yesterday.
We ordered Malai toast.
Food is good. I mean, you
And-
travel and don't have food. What's the point?
And
Don't have
also,
tasty food. And I complete.
and butter toast with 3 masala chai. We're gonna have chai again.
We know, we can see it. So good. Yesterday's was different, right? Yesterday was more like rubbery on top.
This is something Nana will love. What do you want?
I'm good. Thank you. You guys, look at how different we are sometimes. She like absolutely loves Malai, and I don't dislike it, but I hate it.
थोड़ी चना बटर वाली
अच्छा कचौड़ी चना butter.
तो क्या बोल
I think it's going to be good. It's too hot.
It's way too hot. I'm gonna burn my tongue.
Authentic.
So good.
It's very
It's actually pasuri, you know.
yeah. Is it authentic? The flavors and all. The prices are so reasonable. They add this whole cube of butter.
So like this is the corn and cheese one, and I personally didn't like it.
These two girls busy vlogging.
So we have come to Kamal Sarees. Good collection.
mouse color
Oh, that one.
new colors
Oh, mouse color. Mouse color. Third cup of chai, guys.
We are actually coffee lovers, but after coming here, we are having
became chai lovers.
Yeah. Are we done with shopping?
Yes, yes.
Finally, oh my god, they took forever.
Finally.
Yeah. Okay, what are we gonna do now? Go to the ghats? Or like go to the room?
Ghat walk.
Now?
So we came back to our room, and by then it was quite foggy. Mohana and mom woke up around 4 a.m. because Mohana had a stuffy nose, and they looked outside the balcony and they were mesmerized. This was at night, but here you go. Look at the morning view.
Mohana. Just look at the fog.
So clear. You cannot see literally anything.
Anything. We are.
Oh, how do poor people sleep here?
I just don't know.
The time is 3:50. It's almost 4 a.m.
How is it feeling, Mohana?
So good.
So Amma felt this divine feeling and she meditated almost for an hour.
It's like 4 a.m. you guys.
Now the time is 8:45 a.m. So this is our 4th morning in Varanasi. You see the amount of fog behind us? Surreal, like literally. Oh my god. Luckily it has reduced because now we have to go to Ayodhya, and we're leaving around 10:30 and now it's 8:30. We're gonna have breakfast, so we're just getting covered to go have breakfast.
और कितना ठंड पड़ेगा? मतलब ज़्यादा हो जाएगा और इससे भी?
इससे ज्यादा जाता है 1 डिग्री 2 डिग्री तक ठंडा
Oh
जाता
my god. तो ये आपको ये कुछ ज्यादा नहीं लग रहा है? आपको ये तो
हम लोग के हिसाब
नॉर्मल.
से तो नॉर्मल है
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god. We're gonna miss this place. We don't know when we're coming back here.
We're leaving, guys.
Bye room.
Ayodhya.
Bye.
guys.
Bye guys. Bye room. So it's been 2 hours since we left Varanasi and we are on our way to Ayodhya. Well, we stopped by for a while near a dhaba to have our lunch.
And I think we're gonna reach in like another 2 or 3 hours. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, love, peace and happiness.
Stay tuned for the Ayodhya video, guys. Bye.